Morning. Before starting today's presentation, I have completed my PhD last year on the topic of staff turnover. So today in this presentation, I will share my thoughts on the same topic. This presentation aims to present how the human resource managers can solve one of the severe issues, staff turnover in the hospitality industry. The presentation's objective is to know what staff turnover is, its causes and impact on the hospitality industry, and how the human resource manager can resolve the issue. What is staff turnover exactly? If we combine all these definitions from the scholars, then we can define staff turnover, also known as employee turnover, refers to the number of employees who leave a company for various reasons to the total number of employees on the payroll in that period. Why staff turnover is important? Because it is not only a few or high skilled employees who are significant to the organization, but every person who does work for the firm has the ability to cause significant profit for the business. As opened by Rahman and Mubashir, if the rate of employee turnover is high, it can increase the organization's expenses, negatively affecting the firm's confidence, which then creates inefficiency in the employees and poor quality services. As per Skelton et al., staff turnover may cost a company more than 100% of one employee's annual wages, which is a massive cost for any organization. Talking about the importance in the hospitality industry, first, it is the expensive for the company, then a loss of an experienced employee affecting productivity, and finally affecting the profit. Also, as the hospitality industry is service oriented, it is not possible to replace machines and robots with humans in terms of service quality, communication, and interaction. If we take a look at statistics, that the rate of employee turnover in the restaurant industry is way higher as compared to the private sector on the whole. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the rate of staff turnover is 20% more in the restaurant industry than in the private sector in the past 10 years. In 2007, the restaurant turnover rate was 86%, whereas the other private sector's turnover rate was just below 50%. Considering the year 2017, the private sector's percentage was around 46, which is around similar to the rate in 2007 compared to 86 and 70 in 2007 and 2017 respectively. In the restaurant sector, where we can see a significant difference. It is challenging to look for a perfect employee, but if the firm tries to match the employee that is not right for the firm's culture, will always have a bad outcome. Even if the firm is desperate to fill the position, but picking poor matched employee is not suitable for the employee and the firm, which will result in an unhappy employee. Opportunity for growth and development is highly crucial to retain good employees. If an employee feels trapped, they look for other firms to improve their income and status. Organizations should give more freedom to the employees regarding decision making because limited opportunity in decision making causes staff turnover. Also, interest in other profession and need for a better job or career also plays a significant role in staff turnover. The data showcases why the maximum number of employees quit in general. Some of the main reasons comprise a change in mind on the type of work, different work than expected, lack of training, the boss is not treating them well, and not having fun at the workplace, followed by other reasons. In the hospitality sector, it rarely happens that employees work for set schedule, which is a significant advantage for most organizations. However, this flexibility means that employees do not know what should they expect every week. If they are not have surety how many hours they have to work, then the job can cause stress to the employees. The employees do not want to wait till the last minute to get the schedule. Therefore, they prefer to leave the firm when they face such kind of situation. In the hospitality sector, often the employees have massive work pressure, which can create stress even in those who are calm in nature. Not every person can handle this environment, which causes a high level of turnover. Communication is extremely crucial, but needs and expectations needs to be adequately communicated between management and employees in the hospitality sector. Hard work is a necessity of the hospitality sector as it requires the employees to work for long duration of time, no matter what position they work. Unfortunately, many employees feel that their investment is not noticed by the upper management. When employees gives their maximum output in the job and feel that their hard work is being ignored, it leads to frustration and causes staff turnover. According to Rashid and Holston, it is important to measure staff turnover within the organization, which will help the firm predicting their budget on hiring process. Also, both front and back office employees are important for the hospitality industry for the smooth operations. As stated by Resendez in 2020, the kitchen staff has a turnover rate of 18% and are less likely to leave the firm than the staff in the management roles having a turnover rate of 28% who are more likely to move on. But this data in 2018 showcases that the position of the employees is the greatest indicator of turnover. The highest turnover rate was for cashier and was followed closely by the supporting employees such as dishwasher, food runners, and housekeeping. The lowest turnover rate was among the bar employees and the managers, which is 28% and 23% respectively. When new employees join the firm, they encounter new work culture without a clear identity. The initial procedure of building relations, loving the culture, gaining trust, and commitment to a common vision takes time. High rate of employee turnover negatively influence the hospitality industry's performance. It is a loss of firm's memory and also loss of skill, knowledge, and capabilities that employees have attained with their training and years of experience. Due to this, the level of productivity and engagement starts to fall, which directly impacts on quality of the services. Co-workers can communicate with each other in a friendly manner to maintain a good and positive work culture. Maintaining friendly co-worker relation results in greater level of satisfaction regarding their work environment, have a significantly positive effect on job satisfaction. Line managers plays an immense role in resolving the issue by providing a friendly and productive work environment along with clear communication, interacting with them more frequently, and most importantly, elevating their moral value by giving them recognition, feedback, and promotions. Influencing the HR managers to undertake feedback sessions with senior employees can help to recognize essential factors that help in driving satisfaction and prioritize changes that must be made in firm for employees' benefits. It is noticed that most of the employees consider compensation an essential factor in job satisfaction. When employees feel that they are not paid well in the work that they are doing, their engagement suffers and employees look for another job through which they can earn more. There is a fast food chain named In n Out Burger that has attained fourth position on Glassdoor's best places to work. This firm has 12% more salary than the national average for entry level employees. Due to this, there is a lower rate of turnover in the firm. Also, the HR manager can be included in the business planning process. The best example is that HR must be involved in the business expansion plans, which necessitates adding more employees. When the manager is aware of the business plan during the process, it can help maintain professional and adequate staffing levels. Human resource managers can use three major and practical strategies to retain employees for long term of time and ensure profitability and business success. Flexible scheduling policies will help employees reduce their stress level because everyone has a life outside of work and various responsibilities and commitments. So, having a flexible working schedule will give them opportunity and time to look after their family and themselves. It will also save the time and money for the employees as well as the organization. As commuting during the rush hours take longer, and if by any reason employees become late to the workplace, which will result in stress for employees hence productivity level decreases. Employees working on flexible scheduling has better command and managing their work and family have more job satisfaction. Also, they have less work and family conflict as well as they have less depression. Giving employees flexible schedules demonstrates that company cares for them, which will increase their loyalty towards the organization and they will stay with the company for longer period of time. If the employees do not like the company's work culture and environment, they are less likely to stay with the company. So HR should select the candidate who will fit in the company's culture and will improve employees' level of engagement, productivity and performance. Hiring an employee who matches the job profile is very important because employees who know how to manage their work efficiently are more productive. Hence, the employees will have more confidence and job satisfaction, which is more likely to stick with the organization for an extended period. Having an employee selection process can create better hiring outcomes. The employee selection process is a series of steps that companies use to hire the best workers. Matching the right skills to open roles is critical. The hiring manager should narrow down the best candidates, should be more selective for the best fit for the job. Furthermore, effective selection can result in hiring the kind of employees that will boost the company's morale and keep turnover low. Selecting the right employee will decrease unnecessary hiring costs for the organization. Making investment in employee training is a highly effective way to reduce staff turnover. HR managers can conduct training to make sure employees' development is on a track. Personal and professional development goals are objectives to improve employee skills and motivations. HR manager can combine employees' professional interest with skills or performance goals to achieve success at work. If organization's budget is low for employees' development support, HR can consider virtual training and learning program, which is very effective and easy to manage virtually. The best example of support for the personal and professional development is Chick-fil-A, who announced that they are increasing funding towards tuition assistance program. 90% of the employees choose to stay with the firm even after getting the degree. When employees are supported in their personal life, they have more loyalty towards the company and want to work with them for a longer time. It is seen in the presentation that staff turnover is a significant issue. It costs massively to the hospitality industry in terms of skilled workers, efficiency, and huge recruitment cost. There are various reasons to the staff turnover, and those are employees looking for a better job, dissatisfaction with the work, uncertain working hours, less support from the employer, and imperfect hiring process of the organization. There is a need to take quick actions to reduce the staff turnover by human resource managers using different action plans like flexible scheduling policies, hire the right resources, and provide support for employees through personal and professional development. Low staff turnover will help the industry reduce the cost, enhance morale, and more customer satisfaction. Thank you.